They are crime-fluencers and are motivated by anarchy and hurting others.
Yes, this is a very serious crime. And yes, that's a very real dog whistle. They're counting on the fact that you don't know anything about political systems and what they are. And that is why they are saying something like this. For those of you unaware, I'm actually an anarchist. And many people actually are. Many people think they are communists. Many people think they are socialists. But they're actually neither. They're actually anarchists. Because anarchy is not about a lack of government. Anarchy is about the right to self-govern as a small group. Some of you conservatives are anarchists. Some of you liberals are anarchists. You just didn't know that there was a word for it because the word has been manipulated for so long. So this is a very serious issue. And at the same time, the weaponization of words is a very serious issue. I say this as someone who's a linguist, who specialized in the education of the English language. I think at this point of the game, if you speak English, please learn about the weaponization of words, especially in your own language. It happens a lot in your language. It happens a lot by your leaders. It's a weapon of colonialism and unmelanated supremacy, as well as the patriarchy, obviously. But please educate yourself on these things. Learn what anarchy is. It's decentralizing government. It's the removal of a central government that dominates and controls a large population. It's self-governance by an autonomous small group, with agreement of the small group. And no, it doesn't mean chaos or violence or criminal activities. That's not in its definition. But it has been weaponized over the years to become so. Because if you weren't aware, a lot of indigenous groups are actually anarchists. And a lot of indigenous governing systems before your centralized colonizers came in were also anarchy systems. Please learn what anarchy actually is.